I'm good.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome everybody here tonight to McKees Mills, and we're certainly going to have a great night tonight. And on behalf of Karen and I, we'd like to welcome you to Love Boat 2016. Trust me, tonight we are going to take you on a cruise that you'll never ever find in any other location except for McKees Mills. But we have a lot of great laughs. The cast is back there. They're all excited. They can't wait to come out and perform for you tonight. It's going to be great. One thing I do want to make mention to you, we normally have two washrooms that even here for the auctions. We have a washroom that's right here behind this curtain and another one around there. It's a secret washroom, yes. Not anymore. After we have after the first act, we will be sliding this curtain back. Then you're more than welcome to use that washroom. It is operable and everything. We didn't want everybody going in. Just watch the speaker stand when you're heading in there and stuff like that. So we ask you to please be careful with that. One thing, if you look over at the bar, you'll see, try our Royal Flush Martini. Has anyone tried that yet? Yeah. Lynn is a real pro at making these. And so I tell you, if you haven't tried one, it's one that we just kind of came up by accident.
Jade and us.
And it's fantastic. So if you haven't tried it, we ask you to try it before you go home tonight. I'm sure you'll certainly enjoy it. It's got a little kick to it, and I'm sure it'll be fun. So without further ado, we want to get on with the play. I know you're excited about it. I'm going to turn you to Karen. Karen's going to give a little rundown of what the play's about and how it's going to happen, and enjoy yourselves tonight.
Excited. Welcome everybody to the Royal Flush Cruise Line. Love Boat 2016 in search of the Bachelor. I hope you guys find the Bachelor tonight. I made a note because last week I forgot a couple of thank yous and stuff, and I didn't want to forget them this time. So welcome aboard the Love Boat. Why do we do the Love Boat and MASH 2015? This is all for the Friends of the Moncton Hospital. All profits made tonight goes to the Friends of the Moncton Hospital. How did I start this? A couple of years ago, I was driving one day, and the radiothon for Friends of the Moncton Hospital in February has C103XL96 and CJSE comes to the Moncton Hospital, and they do a telethon. And that particular day, I heard Dr. Bourgeois. He's one of our cardiologists at the hospital, and he had made a donation of $1,000 and pledged anybody else who wanted to meet his pledge or beat it to do it. And I'm like, wow, that sounds like an awesome thing. But it was that day, and I was like, oh, can't do that today. So it made me think. I wanted to do something from the emergency department of the Moncton Hospital to the Friends of the Moncton Hospital. We work hard, we see the good, we see the bad, and sometimes we just don't give enough back. Because if anybody is sick here, you're going to end up at our hospital. So that's why I decided. Last year we did MASH 2015, and it was a success. We raised $2,452.30. One night for 132 people. We auctioned off 37 homemade desserts. We raised over $2,000 on just the desserts alone to help cover the costs. So we did awesome. Thanks, everybody. So this is where we decided to move into the Love Boat. And hopefully we'll be able to do it. This time we did it 2 nights instead of 1 night. I reduced it from 132 down to 110 to make people more comfortable. That was the one thing that we had taken back from last year's show. It was a little tight, and I want people to have the best show that they can have. Getting on to the thank yous. These are just a whole bunch of little things that I want to mention because it's important. First of all, I need to mention Margie Sullivan. She is our co-pilot in here too. You don't see her up on the stage. You don't hear her, but she works in the background with all of us doing her part. So Margie, this one's for you. My kitchen staff out back, I have 4 people that are helping me today. I have William, Natasha, Christine, and Claudette. You'll see them when it comes time for supper. Thank them a lot, because they're going to be here. My bar staff over in the corner. gone to the liquor store to get some more Royal Flush for me. My music. My best day came last year when I signed on Carlin and Allie. We had a great show last year. They did me proud. We added on another sidekick, Chris, and here we are for our music again this year. So how Rock Boat works, it's a 3-act play. We do the act 1. At the end of act 1, I open up that curtain there, and that's where supper is going to be served. I ask you guys to go along the back, come up, be served, that way you can carry your trays here. I'd like this table to start first, and then just slowly work your way along the table.
I think they're hungry already over there.
So we do act 1. Yeah, the bar 2. If the bar could line up, if you're going to the bar during the show, if you can go towards the back, just so that it doesn't come up in the front. So we do act 1, we eat, we do act 2. After the end of act 2, we'll be stopping and the cast members are going to be coming around to the table serving you your desserts. And then we move into act 3. I want to say all this food is homemade from scratch except for the rolls. I bought the rolls. Everything is homemade from the beginning to the end, including the desserts. So please, I do hope you enjoy them very much. There should not be one person leaving here hungry. I have 110 marinated barbecue steak. I have 60 chicken breasts that have been marinated in Russian sauce. I have 125 baked potatoes. I have 15 pounds of onions, 10.5 pounds of mushrooms, 8 pounds of corn, and 12 pounds of carrots.
I wonder how supper is.
For dessert, I have 168 desserts. So everybody should have their choice. It's a choice between Miss Bailey James' chocolate trifle, Captain Morgan's lemon trifle, and Miss Joella's berry truffle. So we should have enough desserts for everybody. Now moving on to the bathrooms. As David said, there is 2 bathrooms here. One is just out for now while we're doing this first act. But when I change the set between acts 1 and 2, the other bathroom will come in, so you will be able to use the bathroom. The only other thing I have to say is please drink responsibly. No drinking and driving if it's at all possible. I do drive. I have no trouble after the show is, but this cat wants to party a tiny bit tonight. But I will drive anybody anywhere. So please, got you, Auntie. Please, just let me know. I have no troubles. So the only other thing I can think of is the smoking. This is a non-smoking building, so please respect that. You're welcome to go outside and smoke at any time. Use that door there and go away from the building. We have our actors. They're trying to sing and act, and I don't want that noise or that smell. What is that noise?
Sounds like water.
You said the toilet wasn't broken.
I thought I fixed it.
Oops. Let's go check.
You do that
Have a good night, guys.
Have a good night.
Round about a Saturday night, rubbed up, just relaxing in the tub, thinking everything was alright. When I got out of the tub, put my feet on the floor, wrapped up in my towel and stepped out of the door, and then splish splash, I walked out of the bath. Cause how was I to know there was a party going on? I was a splishing and a splashing. I was a moving and a grooving. But dipping and popping. I saw the whole gang. I don't know the rest of it. I'm not done my bath yet, so I might as well pick another song. A rubber ducky, you're the one. You make bath time lots of fun. A rubber ducky, I'm awfully fond of you. Whoop-oop-de-doo. Rubber ducky, a joy of joys. When I squeeze you, you make noise. Rubber ducky, you're my very best friend, it's true. Make my way to the tubby. I find a little fellow who's cute, yellow, and chubby. A rub-a-dub-dubby, rubber-ducky, you're so fine, and I'm so happy, you that you're mine. Rubber-ducky, I am awfully fond of you. Mwah. There's nothing quite like starting the day with a good bath. You know, my gynecologist, Dr. David, used to say, I should probably have a bath once a day, even if I don't really need it. What a nice guy, you know? He even warmed his tools up for me. You know, maybe I should have invited him to our New Year's Eve party. You know, we could bring him over for maybe a party favor if things get too dull. I should probably practice on some of those stretches he was telling me about, though, because I'm gonna better be getting busy this year, because I'm not getting any younger, I'll tell you that. Whew. Let's see here. Maybe I should figure out some good party games, because as much as I like Mabel being
Dorella?
she's a...
Dorella?
That might be her right now.
Dorella, I'm just getting us some tea. Would you like a cup of tea?
Well, sure, why not? Put it on the kettle. I'm not gonna say no to
I just had to try to milk that old cow of ours here to get us some here.
I was just saying, you know, maybe for a party game, I'll start out with pin the tail on Dorella. And then we'll shift into just pin Dorella next.
You gotta love this tea. I've been working in the kitchen all morning.
Well, if only you would have worked more on your decorations here, girl.
Well, I'm gonna. You didn't go and have a bath again, did you?
Well, sure I did, you know. Sure, I saved you some water this time, but you're not getting any smaller.
Wow. Oh, now, come on now, you be nice, my goodness gracious. The other day when you had that, I jumped in there and I put your froze my yin-yang off. It was so dang hard. Oh, my goodness gracious.
Oh, you know, Mabel, if we play our cards right, we might get this New Year's Eve party to turn into a sleepover party. You know what I mean?
Oh, yes. Wouldn't that be
A
good?
girl can dream.
We love those sleepovers now, don't we? Yeah. You know, but, you know, the decorations are coming, and I bought some mistletoes, and...
You working on the punch yet?
Yes, but I'm telling you, I'm doing the punch this year, because last year did it, and I'm going to make it just how we like our men, strong and stiff.
Oh, don't we all?
That's right.
I can get behind that. Maybe in front of it, too.
Oh, yeah. Remember last year we went to that party and we got under that mistletoe there and I grabbed the hold of that young fella there? Well, I climbed him just like a tree right to the top. How could he ever want to get away something looking as good as this?
I know. Well, I hope you certainly bought enough mistletoe, because this might be just about the only time when I'll ever say that I need a bigger bush.
I get about a dozen this year, you know, because you see it everywhere I go. Those things work pretty good, but cost me a lot of money. I'm gonna put them all up everywhere.
Just relax a minute and have a cup of tea then.
This year, I think I'm gonna put one right on top of my hat, and I'm gonna wear it everywhere I go. I think it's a good idea.
Got around to the bar, right in the back. My mama's gone.
have a quick look at what's in the old paper today.
That's a good idea. You want to, I'll see if I check out some sales.
I'll check the obituary column first, you know.
We don't want to end
We're a
up
little
there.
too old for Facebook, but it does look like our friends list is getting shorter every year.
See.
Phil, Hicks, Murphy, Smith. You know any Smiths?
I know a
Seems
Smith.
familiar.
Yeah, I know a Smith one. He died a couple of years ago. Dang old bugger, you're probably so stubborn, he probably died again, no doubt.
Here's something interesting, though. It says here that there's a 2-for-1 deal at the casino's buffet table. Hey, I could get in on that.
Whoa. No, Dorella, we can't get in there. No. Well, don't you remember the last time we were in there? They fired us out like limp salad there. We went in there, I can't understand it. They said it was an all-you-can-eat buffet just because we bought our own containers with us. We couldn't eat all in one sitting, you know? There was no reason to throw us out there.
You know, some way to treat us.
Yeah.
You think they do delivery, though? There's an idea.
Oh, I doubt it because, you know, they went and stuck our pictures right there on the wall so everybody could see them, you know? Dang old people.
You know, it's real too bad they couldn't have put our numbers up there with our pictures. Because then if some guy wanted big, he'd know who to call for a good
That's
time.
right. Oh, that would have worked.
That is what I would call a 2-for-1 deal.
How could they refuse us that?
Oh, that's for sure.
Anything else going on in there?
Well, Lotto Max is 36 million tonight. I hope you bought our tickets already.
Oh, no,
What's wrong with you?
I'm not wasting our money on that stuff. You know, money can't keep you warm at night, you know.
Can't keep you warm at night. Have you already forgot about our toy collection?
Oh. I don't know if you should be mentioning that.
Well, maybe.
All these people here, but yeah, that works.
Well, stop using mine.
Well, yours are always working. Mine are always dead.
Oh my God. I can never find them afterwards. I don't know where you hide them.
I have a secret spot.
Well, I know you've got one right now.
Excuse me.
When a remote control turns up, we'll see.
Yeah.
Speaking of that, though, let's see here. They've already got the toy sales on for Valentine's Day, huh?
Already, my
Before you know it, it'll be back to school sales too then.
Oh, I can't wait back to school. I like back to school and get them cookies, you know, when they run around with them.
Cookies?
I love those.
Why's the toy store got cookies?
No, back to school.
Oh.
You know, they run around the doors and give you cookies.
I hope so.
You know, I save my money for those.
Oh, here's something weird, though. Come here. Get in here. Look at this. They got a picture of a boat, and they're calling it the Royal Flush Cruise Line. What kind of a dumb name for a ship is that? Sounds like a toilet paper company.
Can you imagine naming a Royal Flush cruise line after something like that? But you know, think about it, Dorella. Just think about it. You know, we vacation quite often together, you know, and that would make a real nice vacation for us next time, a cruise, you know?
Well,
but I can't really afford it right now after buying all these mistletoes and everything, you know? I just spent all my money on that. I wouldn't have time for it.
well, wait a minute there, girl. It says here they're giving away 6 random tickets by phone. It says there's going to be a bachelor on board or something.
Oh, that's good.
Wait there. Yeah, there's the New Year's Eve taping of that show there, The Bachelor. They're asking all single women interested in a shipboard romance.
Hey, that's us?
Yeah, to come sail with them.
Wow.
Huh, and we're in a spot or something.
That's a scam if I've ever heard of it before.
Oh, yeah, I guess you're right. If it's too good to be true, it probably is our luck.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
But you mentioned something there about a bachelor. Does it show a picture? Like, does he have big feet?
Oh, Dorella. Hey, Mabel, not you and your big feet again. That's just an old wives' tale. That's not true.
I know.
You know, you're making me jealous because it always does seem to work out for you, doesn't it?
It sure does.
Dang it.
That's how you can always
Doesn't work for me.
look at the feet. Just look at the feet. Yeah.
No, it doesn't say too much. There's no picture or anything. It just says here he's He's single, he's ready to mingle, and he's loaded with cash. You know, that's all I need to hear.
That works. Hey,
You know, if we're not busy, we could at least watch it on TV.
But no, like, just think about that. If we can get a hold of him, you know, the two of us, you know, we could tag team him, you know. I could grab a hold of him, and I could get right under my afghan because, you know, his fingers and toes, they'll be sticking right out. Baby, now you've got these little ripper holes.
Wait, ripper holes? I thought those holes were so you could breathe while you were underneath it.
No. These are gripper holes, so that when you get him under there, his toes and fingers, they come right out there, and they can't get away from you. And just goes first, works every time for me.
That must have been why the last guy was turning blue too.
Yeah, you thought he couldn't breathe. Oh dear.
You know, I'll try and see if they say anything else about that bachelor guy, though. It sure is interesting. Nah, that's about it about there.
Well, I don't know. Sounds funny. We're gonna have to look a little farther there.
Oh, you get it. I got the carpool tunnel in my hands.
Oh, no, you get it. It's always for you. I got them arithmetic hands, you know.
No, you got it the last time, didn't you?
No, it's always for you anyway. You just pick it up.
Well, you're closer, ain't you?
No, you're a whole lot closer than I am.
Fine, all right. I'll get the phone. Before they hang up. Hello, you've reached Mabel and Dorella.
Speaking.
Listen, you got my
just one
worse than the phone is.
to aboard the Royal Flush Cruise Line.
You're talking.
This ship is set to sail at 1 p.m. this afternoon. Please be ready to board by 12:30 sharp. All boarding pass will be ready for pickup at level 1, Pier 54.
Try another year.
This is our special holiday cruise with special activity planned on board.
But how do I get
That
more
would be a
information?
final match of the Poker Mania with $3 million on the line.
Listen to me.
And a bachelor on board that will be playing that famous dating game.
Yeah, but listen.
This will be
how do I
our
get on
biggest
the-
cruise yet this year.
What?
So join us in welcoming the new year with us. And don't forget all you single ladies, this bachelor is loaded.
Wait.
He has never been married and he's looking to settle down with some little fitty to spend his money.
Wait, how do I?
This may be your chance to meet the man of your dream.
Come on.
Remember, your boarding pass will be at the registration desk and we set to sail at 1 p.m. sharp.
Registration desk. Where do you? Hello? 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 Oh my God, he hung up on me.
What's that talking about anyway?
Bastard. How am I supposed to tell what he's talking about there? I think he was saying we want to cruise or something there, Mabel.
That's they're just trying to get your credit card number. That's all they're doing. That's a scam, you know.
Well, yeah, that could be true, but
Yeah.
wait a minute here. What if we did win? I mean, somebody's got to win those 6 random tickets, right? And what are the odds, eh? What are the odds of me reading it in the paper and then all of a sudden we win it right there? What if we won? I mean, well, I like boats and we like our men, don't we?
Yeah, I like warm weather.
Remember the last time we were on a boat? I went to the Virgin Islands. I don't think I left the Virgin there.
Really, Brown? I'm surprised they didn't name them whole islands after you. They ran around, gave their number, they called our place for weeks after that.
What if we won? How do we know? What do we do?
Let's just call back that, that redial number thing there. We'll just call them back and find out what it's all talking about
Put your
here.
number in the paper. Here.
Oh, let me do it, because you're going to mess her up again here.
Yeah,
I got it here.
That's 1-800.
1-900. Oh, that's our number. I got *69.
We must have practiced that so many times.
I think I know that by now.
Yeah. All right. Now, don't let them put you on hold.
No,
okay?
sir.
Yeah.
You wait. I've got it. Okay, this time.
Okay. And don't.
No. I'll give them all under control. Mabel Abel's got it.
Oui, je suis le capitaine Morgan.
Hey, hi, how are you? Hi, it's Mabel,
And Dorella.
and Dorella.
You want a cruise, don't you forget me.
Excuse me.
Did you just call here?
What's your names?
I'm Abel Mabel.
And Dorella.
Oh, and Dorella. Did you just call us?
Yes, I do. Give me a chance here.
Well,
Yes.
You know, my
You're selected to win a cruise.
we want a cruise.
Yes.
We want a cruise.
This young lady,
Yes,
you just win a cruise and hurry up. We are set to sail shortly. So hurry up and pack your bags. It's time to sail away. And don't forget your sunscreen. It's going to be really hot out there.
Okay, ground. Okay, we got no fire.
No problem.
Hey, we want a cruise. We want a cruise. We want a cruise.
Okay, so where?
He's sailing right away. We gotta get there real quick.
Get where?
Wait, I don't know. He said
You
we
had him on the phone.
but I was too excited.
Well, what did it be? Okay, good. All right, here, let me see.
I gotta say you read about it. Hurry up.
Give me a sec. I'm too excited. Okay.
Oh, that's
Okay. The Royal Flush Cruise Line is leaving from the Bucktoosh Marina Pier 540.
That's just over here.
Is it? Okay.
I know what that is.
Oh, wait. It says they're leaving at 12:30. What time is it?
It's 11.
Okay, well, we're gonna need our passports and our immunization papers and our shots.
I had one this morning. Oh, I did that one over there. No, again, you know,
this is gonna be so big.
think of this cruise. Think about it. So you better bring something in case you get sick.
Oh yeah, the grab ball. I should get that.
Yes, and don't worry now. Don't you know they got that in patches now? You can catch it all over, just like they have for you know birth control. And you can put a whole bunch all over you. They'll think you're really protected then.
Oh my gosh, Lee, we are such. If I didn't have it already, I'd have got it from you. You know what would make this even better though? Oh my god, we should call up Esther and see if she can come along too, because she will do anything after she gets 2 drinks in her.
I know.
Oh my god.
And she's a blast. She thinks she can handle her like her. But after that second run, wow, she's gone. 'Cause remember the last time that we took Esther along with us on the trip? No, it wasn't that funny when we were down in Jamaica.
Jamaica?
Yeah. Oh, you probably
No, I don't remember that.
Oh, that Jamaican rum, and you left. Oh my God. But remember,
You could have called me a statue. I was so plastic.
and I'm telling you, it's true what they say about them Jamaican men, you know. They really got the rhythm. and remember too, when we took Esther down to Cuba, you know, that's where they got those big cigars.
We'll talk about cigars there.
But you know, it's true what they say, but it's not cigars the only thing that they got big down there. Some of those men down there, well, they have feet so big they can need water skis.
Oh, Mabel, my gosh, we sure do get around, don't we?
Oh, we sure do.
Trailer for sailor and rooms like 50 cents. No phone, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes on 2 hours of pushing through. Got 8 bucking for bedroom. And I'm a means by no means king of the road. 3rd boxcar midnight.
before we better start packing. Pass that phone here over and I'll call Esther up right away.
Get a hold of her. Tell her she's going to have to hurry, you know.
Yes, here. 1 second. Hello, Esther? Oh yeah, it's me, Dorella. You won't believe what happened to us. Oh my God. No, it was the cops. Listen, it's fine. They didn't get fingerprints. Just listen, okay? This is brand new. This is amazing. Actually, no, this is a surprise. Okay, you're gonna need to pack clothes for about a week. Yeah, a bikini. You're gonna need your bathing suit and your well, no, you don't need your underwear. Okay, just bring your sunscreen and your pills or whatever, and then come meet us. Okay, this is gonna be big. Okay, bye. Thanks. So is she coming? Oh, yeah. She's got one of those fancy phones there that's not tied into the wall, so she's packing right now.
Well, we should hurry because, we got to pack up. We could get another sticker from my trunk, and you get the suitcase.
Yeah, and I'll get the dresser. Oh my God, this is gonna be great. Okay, bring it over. Yeah, I gotta see what we can pack here.
While we're young and beautiful, kiss me like you mean it. Treat me like we're special. Fill me with sweetness. The time will come when we're so young and beautiful. While we're young and beautiful, living free and easy, here without a worry, dancing in our bare feet. When summer's done, not be so young and beautiful. It's a crazy, hazy ride, and baby, you and I are keeping our sweet love alive tonight while we're young and beautiful. While we're young and beautiful, we'll party down on Main Street. We're next to nothing, feeling every heartbeat. Summer's done, not be so young and beautiful. It's a hazy ride, and baby, you and I are keeping our sweet love alive tonight while we're young and beautiful.
Oh my God,
I had the funny ears.
all I needed was the tail. Here, let me try on that other person.
Oh, yes. I wonder, there it is.
You're trying to lace me up in this thing. I gotta make sure this still fits me. Yeah.
Just a sec.
Hold on real tight, okay?
I'm trying. You're not.
And don't forget the bumblebee outfits too, because
Yes,
those,
can you tuck it in a little bit there, girl?
use your foot, okay? Come on.
I think you put a little weight on. Here, sec, I got you.
Okay, well, if I put on a little weight, you won't fit into this. So it's gonna have to be me. Okay, here, I'll hold it.
Okay, I got it there. I think you.
Yeah, I can still wear it.
Chunky little thing, aren't you? Yeah. But look, we gotta bring you the bumblebee outfits because remember, you were yellow and I was black.
And we didn't need the bottoms.
Oh, dear.
I don't think we'll ever find those stingers again, though.
No, I don't. You love us though. I know what else is like? Let me see. What we should need to be packing and anything else we should bring? We got our
Oh, yeah, our
cards.
passports. Yes, here we go.
Passports.
Make sure they're the real IDs this time.
Yeah, that's you. That's you.
The photos never look good.
stuff, though. Oh, dear. You know?
What in the name of the damn hell's going on with the two of you? You're not gonna believe it! You're not gonna believe it! We want a cruise! Yeah!
Let me tell her.
We want a cruise! And we're leaving at 12:30! Yeah! Come with us!
Guys, you can't go on a cruise.
Why not? Come on,
We're having
come
that New Year's party, remember? Everyone in the single party's coming.
Shit!
Good idea.
Sorry, well, just look, this is a lot bigger. This is a cruise. Can't we?
We'll just call them all up and tell them that something's come up.
Call them all up. No, I found 20 hot guys and I told them all to bring a friend, right? That's like 30 people. I can't call them all up. We got no time for this. Can't we just put up a poster and say Mabel's sick or something?
Hey, that'll work. That's not very polite of us. And why do I always have to be the sick one?
Oh, come on, honey, you look the part. No, I'm just joking. Come on. You know how we do this. We do everything in turns, right? You be the sick one this time because remember that old guy's party? Oh, he was coming on to us and I wasn't having none of it, so I told him, listen, I've got the clapboard.
You didn't have no clapboard. That's what they call them, shingles.
Yeah, well, they were both itchy, I'll tell you that.
Well, ladies, I hope you guys enjoy yourselves. I can't afford to go on no cruise. I just picked up my Harley.
Oh, no, don't sweat it, Esther. Look, we are pros at getting people snuck into places. You remember when we were young girls there? You wanted to get into the circus. No. Anyway, you wanted to get into the circus and we had tickets.
Oh, really? We're setting this up.
Yeah, remember? And I just told the guy at the tent that you were the bearded lady. I let you right in! We'll just pull something like that again. Just you wait.
Don't you worry, those cruise ships, they're so big, they don't have a clue who's on board.
Just think about it.
That's true.
Leave it in our capable hands.
Yeah, and money, just come along for the ride.
I'll let you guys figure it out, but if I get caught, it's on you guys.
No, we gotta pack some more.
It's almost right. And still, there never seems to be a single penny left for me. That's too bad. But in my dreams, I have a plan. If I got me a wealthy man, I wouldn't have to work at all. I'd fool around and have a ball. Money, 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 always funny in a rich man's world. Money, 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 always sunny in a rich man's world. All the things I could do if I had a little money. It's a rich man's world. All right, ladies. Well, I hope you've packed enough. Okay. We're gonna have to get going if it's for 12:30 because I want a bite to eat before I get going. You know.
That's right.
Heaven forbid I get seasick before you can get on the ship.
Let's go.